Hi guys, it's yours truly Sean and welcome back to our mini vlog. So for today's video guys, kay nato diri sa Hi! Day ni Fury. Hi Fury! Mama, may lola, may mommy, may ate, ayan, may kuya. But anyways guys, namin diri sa balay sa akong mommy. With first cousin ni mama and this is their house. Yun ako hatag sa inyo tanan detalye kay mas mga tumo diri sa balay. Today is actually April 15. Tomorrow will be my baccalaureate, and April 17 will be my graduation day. Ayan! Yay! Lola. And also ate and her vlog.
Reels lang daw.
Mag-vlogs ka na kaya? Kailan ka kaya mag-vlog?
Happy vacation! Support my apo!
Yeah. Ayun. Si Tita Jamel. Hi, Tita! Welcome sa vlog!
Hi!
Wala na po si Tita Jamel.
Hi, welcome to...
Hala guys, si Zak. Hi, Zakay! Hi! Hi! Ayun guys. Today is Monday. Nakita nyo ba yung after dark? At saka yung weakest natin. Kinabahan din ako nun guys. Kasi nga nasa House of Collab na tayo. So that basically means may chance tayo maging weakest this week or next week or for the next succeeding week. Pero safe po tayo ngayon dahil ito tayo po excuse kasi graduation ko po. Kaya naman, support me in this vlog guys. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video. But at the same time, please don't forget to subscribe. Alright? Thanks guys. Let's go. I'll update you later. Bye.
One eternity later.
Hey Mel. Hey guys, it's baccalaureate. Guys, pasensya na sa haggard face ko kasi talaga nagmamadali ako at grabe yung traffic dyan tsaka kinuha ko pa yung mga gamit na kailangan ko. Hi guys, so baccalaureate day. I look like, I don't know.
Ako po ang mananalo ng house and lot with Mitsubishi Garage.
Hinogi ko. Hi Marky. Hi. Hi guys. Say hi. These are my classmates. Ayan. Tapos uy! Hi guys, napakaingin naman kasama ko. But anyways guys, tapos ang baccalaureate day. Ay, baccalaureate namin. I'm with them. These are my colleagues from my college life. Uy! Dog! Bayot! Hi! Say hi! Mag-Tagalog ka kasi di nila yung Ayan guys. Tapos na po kami guys. And then we are heading to our room. Basta may kukunin kami. And then tomorrow will be our graduation day. So we're so ready. I have my things on me. Yes, Maddie! Oh, shout out na yung self nyo.
Shower out!
Shower out. Ay, ay, ay. Ako po ang Soma. Soma sa langit ka. Kasama po natin si Papa Jesus.
Oh, hindi! Papa Jesus naka-bland na ngayon.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh. Today is the day that the Lord has made. Guys, we are now graduating. I'm so excited. I mean like, sobrang saya ko na even kagabi. Parang nanonood lang ako ng videos pero kinakalabutan ako kasi andito na tayo. Like, we're here. Graduate na tayo. Tapos na tayo sa college. Thank you so much, Lord, for giving me this super amazing experience and also yung success. So hindi ko siya ma-explain, guys. But anyways, naligo na ako and then I prepared my hair, my contacts, and di pa ako nag-makeup kasi later pa kakain pa ako, tututbrush pa ako, and madami pa akong gagawin. And bibili pa pala ako ng tassel. But anyways, guys, I'm just gonna update you guys later, alright? Alright, let's go. Graduating. busy si Dexter. Ano pa?
Kung respeto ka lang, labaw sa tanan, daghan kaayo ka ninyo. Ang inyong padayon ng diya.
Congrats na pa.
Filipino, Mathematics, Science, and Social Studies, please stand.
Success, health, and happiness. Congratulations.
Okay, from left to right. Yay! Dami graduate na ko. Thank you, Papa. Congrats, Papa. Graduate na ako. Finally closed, guys. We're all graduates na. Yay!
Special dance number.
Yay! Ngayon lang ako natuwa sa selos, ha? Oh, grabe makareact si Mama, oh. Congrats, ate! Congrats! Hi guys! So, I finally graduated. Tapos na po ang ating graduation and I'm so happy. So, we're on our way to our another place to celebrate my success. Yay! Super nice naman talaga guys kasi habang ako'y kumukuha ng diploma, kanya ka like, oh, ito epekto mo. Ganun! So, I'm so happy. Ayan ang fit natin for today and I'm going to our next destination. Alright? Bye! See you then! So after the venue dun sa graduation, nagpunta na din kami dito sa Maximus to celebrate. Konting celebration lang naman for my success together with my family and also my friends. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all you guys kasi nga from the very beginning nag-start tayo ng vlog, you guys are there and hindi nyo ako iniwan. And now as we go on to our new journey, sana naman guys supportan nyo ako hanggang sa matapos ng ating journey as a vlogger and as a teacher. And dito na pala patatapos ang vlog na to. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys make this video as an inspiration and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!